today for another one of our monster videos. We had to use this, now just like this. We need to build it up again. But I need someone to help me. Set on trampoline. Okay. It's wet. Not like that.
How do you want it set up, Berwin?
Now put it down. Like this. The two wheels. I was looking for it. Yeah, when I got that, then that was like good. Not like that.
Berwin, quiet. I want to...
Ooh. This is perfect. Leave it up. Like that, like that.
Hey, where's the other wheel?
Down there.
Okay, give it to me.
Now we'll put them together. Oh, category 5 is right here.
Are these the wheels from Category 5?
Yes.
Okay. Well, we'll save them.
And also we need them.
Okay. Now we might,
Just for practice. Yeah, not bad. Okay, I think we are ready. And let's get started. Ooh, well, steel cube was ahead a little, so steel cube moves on.
okay.
Well, that was steel, yeah. But I think the winner is weapon shark.
All right.
Oh, that was a winner. There's so much, and we're just getting this started. This is gonna be like its longest video ever. Well, that was another stereo.
Who won?
Rap attack.
Oh, okay. That's the end for Hound Holler.
He barely survived. I wonder if Population number 1 is going to win his second time in a row. Oh, I guess not. Category 5 won.
And it doesn't have any wheels.
How did it win though? Whoa. This is. I think Bone Chick is gonna move on to the next round.
Oh, okay.
Because he's better in category 5. Bone Shaker! Every single comment this shake is so slow.
Mm-hmm.
And that was a stereo. Did you see that?
It really bounced.
Well, that was a stereo. Oh, he landed on its head. Well, that was a stereo. This is like gonna be our shortest video ever.
Okay, zombie wins, right?
It's category 5 versus Bone Shake Gum. And Bone Chicken, it was a tie. Now Bone Chicken Gum won.
Good.
Whoever knows, whoever wins next round is going to be Bone Shaker Evil Gum versus Bone Shaker or Bone Shaker versus Basher. And that was a stealer. Actually, that was not a stealer. That was the win for Bone Shaker. Our shortest video. This is going to be our shortest video ever. And that is a comeback. Oh. Oh, I don't know who won. That was a tie. That came out good, but a tie. That was tie, but I said Bone Chicken will go on to the next round.
Sure.
Steel Kill versus Bone Shaker. And the winner is Bone Shaker! But wait, what's this? 4 monster strokes at once. Oh wait, I need to do the tail first. Do a tail ready? Wait, what's this? Monster strokes at once. Well, that was a Mega Rex win.
Mega Rex wins.
Well, that was a good day on our video. Go have his fun. See you next time. Bye! We're done.